Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your language on Amazon Prime Video, so let's get right into it. I'll be doing this for the website version on the browser, however, it is possible to do so on the mobile version as well. However, I'm not 100% sure on how you can do that, so I won't be saying anything just so that I don't get anything wrong accidentally. But once you're on the website version, as you can see, I am in the website and I'm logged in. You can just go to your account and click on account and settings, and you'll be taken to here. You'll be prompted to sign in again, just for security reasons. So let me do that really quickly. And then once you sign in, you'll need to go to this here page, and once you're here, you need to click on the language tab. Once you're here, as you can see, you can select whichever website language you want from these that are available here. You have English, you have all of the most popular languages: Italian, French, Spanish. You even have Hungarian, Dutch, Turkish, Filipino, Wakang. You have Czech, Russian, and all of these that I don't know what they are. I'm pretty sure this is Hebrew, and yeah, this is Korean. This might be Japanese, Chinese. I'm not sure which is which, but yeah, that is pretty much how you change your language. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.